welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. I'm gonna talk about August favorite. Anyway, let's get started. The first thing is fashion item. I didn't shop many things on this month, to be honest, because I told you I'm saving on money. So I just got this really simple, casual but feminine black off-shoulder top. I can wear it like this off-shoulder or just like normal top. It's just a cotton material, so it goes well with a pair of jeans and shorts. So I really enjoyed to wear it, and it's a black color, so although it's not that expensive, it looks really good. I matched this shirt with a bralette. I got it from Hollister. I also made a video how to be fashionable on a budget, so you can check. I put the link in my description box below. The next item is beauty product. Definitely this Naked 3 palette, Urban Decay. I know it's out of trend because Urban Decay released a new palette, but I prefer to use rosy color because the latest one, this is kind of too orange for me. That's gonna be really good on tan skin, but my skin is not a tan. My mom got this, but she has an allergy to this product, so she gave it. I use it every single day. And I made a lot of makeup tutorials. I just play around with this product. It's fun. Today I use Buzz and this dark color. I really like to use this dust color for base, and I also use it for highlighter. I rarely use matte eyeshadows because I love shimmer eye makeup. So I love this tree color too. It's kind of orange color. When fall comes, I'm gonna make a fall vibe makeup soon. Maybe with this Naked palette and other palettes. Next item I wanna share is this perfume, Abercrombie & Fitch First Instant. This one's kind of expensive, I think, compared to the size, because it's just 30 milliliter, but it costs more than $50. But I really like the smell, and I don't know, the concept of this perfume is really cool. First Instinct. It's kind of too powdery or heavy for summer, to be honest, so I'm trying to not use that too much, you know what I mean? Because sometimes I go too much. Okay, I'm gonna describe this smell. It's not a floral smell. I feel like also men can use this perfume. It's not that too much girly or something. It's kinda mature smell. When I purchased this perfume, they gave it as a gift. So I made a joke about it. Well, I got a cab, so they gave this perfume. I'm kind of surprised the quality of this free cab is good. It's a real leather. Yeah, it looks like this. So I'm gonna use this cap more often because fall comes soon, and I'm so excited about that. Let's move to my other favorite. I'm gonna show this. This is my 2018 vision board. I always want to make a vision board, but I postponed that because I'm lazy and kind of doubt about that. Is that real? I just decided to make it, but the process is really fun. Actually, before creating that, I planned to spend just 1 or 2 hours, but I spent around 4 hours, I guess. Many desire pops up, and I just found cool images on Google and Pinterest, and I just put that on my Photoshop. But the board I created was kind of small for putting all the photos, so I just put juicy stuff, my best goals for 2018 and for whole life. Later I'm gonna talk about how I create the vision board, the process and tips, and I also share about the goals, so stay tuned, and that's gonna be really inspirational and fun video. So I just put that photos on my phone, and I also put this photo on the background of laptop, so I always see that every single day to inspire me to take some actions for where I'm going. I hope that works. So the last thing I want to share is a meditation video. I just found this meditation is so hilarious. Actually, I cannot do meditate. I cannot focus on because it was so hilarious. Many people commented that the voice of speaker sounds like Deadpool, so I watched that movie Deadpool 2 with my brother. It was fun, so I cracked a lot. If you want to meditate but you don't know how to do that and meditation doesn't work, just try this meditation. You are gonna enjoy that meditation session, and that's gonna be your habit. So just try out. It's fun. Just 6 minutes, right? This is all I want to share for August 2018. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and see you on my next video. Bye!